All right, so listen, if you are brand new to learning how to play piano by ear and you have no idea where to start, you don't know your notes, you don't know anything, this is where you start in this video. So at the end of this video, I will have taught you 4 new songs in less than 10 minutes, okay? So let's get into it. I need to teach you 3 things really quickly so you can learn these songs with no problem. The first thing is we're gonna go the C major scale because we're in the key of C. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, okay? And then on the left hand, we're gonna play, so these are numbered, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So we're gonna go 1, and then 5, and then 6, and then 4, okay? So 1, on the right hand, G, C, E. And then on 5, we go G, B, D. But listen, do me a favor, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that notification button so you can always know when I'm releasing a new video. And then on 6, we go E, A, C. And then on 4, we go C, F, A. So the goal is 1, 5, 6, 4. That's the goal. 1, 5, 6, 4. Okay? All right. So you have the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. You have the left hand 1, 5, 6, 4, and you have the chords. So we play this on 1, G, C, E. On 5, we play G, B, D. On 6, we play E, A, C. And on 4, we play C, F, A. All right, now listen, especially if you are interested in learning gospel, there's 4 different songs we can learn. This is what you call a chord progression. There's 4 different songs you can learn from this chord progression right here in this video within the next 10 minutes, okay? So play this, 2, 3, 4. The same thing we just did, 1, 2, 3, on the 5, and then the 6, and then on the 4, and just repeat that. 5 to the 6. Now watch this. Forever you're my Savior, forever my Redeemer. I'll remember the price that you paid. The same chords. Forever you're my Savior, forever my Redeemer. I'll remember the price that you paid. All right, so that's song number 1. Song number 2. So next we're gonna go play the same chords in the same exact order. 1, 5, 6, 4. 1, 5, 6. Play them with me. 4. He's able, yeah, yeah. I can't sing, y'all. He's able, yeah, yeah, yeah. He's able, yeah, yeah. He's able, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's song number 2, just like that. Song number 3, watch this. We're gonna play the same chords in the same exact order. We're just gonna speed it up a little bit. Now we're going to play each chord on the right hand twice. So on 1, we're gonna play this G, C, E chord, which is a C major chord. We're gonna play that twice. So we're gonna chop it. In fact, we'll chop both. We'll chop both. We'll play each one twice. So we'll go 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, and then 4, 4. Do it again. 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4. Watch this. Lord, you are good and your mercy endureth forever. Lord, you are good and your mercy endureth forever. That's song number 3. You just learned 3 songs. All right, now watch this. Let's go ahead and learn the 4th song. So we're gonna go, it's kind of fast. Same order, then we're gonna bounce the left hand. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each tone, like on 1, we're gonna play that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the 5, we're gonna play that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, play that 4 times. 2, 3, 4, and the 4, play that 4 times. So, watch this. Congratulations, you just learned 4 new songs in less than 10 minutes. If it took you a little longer, it's okay. But you still learned 4 new songs. So listen, anything is possible. If you want my full system and you want to learn how to play keys by ear with no problem, click the link in my bio or my description or my first comment and get my full system. $1 7-day trial. And after that, it's only $10 a month. Right.